Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js component or package which allows you to make this beautiful looking draggable images or list. So if you have a list of images that you want to display inside your React.js application with also drag and drop support as well, you can use this package. You can change the order of images, you can move this image upward, you can change the order. There is a package which allows you to do this with nice little animation. You will see that as I'm moving the images, it is smoothly moving it, changing the order. So if you have a list that you want to display, it can be either text, images, anything you can display in the list, and it's called as React Draggable List package. So if you just go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, which is React Draggable List. So I think it React Draggable List. This is essentially this package, and you can install this by executing this command. I've already installed it. So essentially it is using React Motion, which is essentially a animation library. So it is using it in the background. So I will just show you a very basic example. So just make a simple functional component, and then we need to import this module by using the import statement. So we'll say draggable list, which will be coming from this package, which almost 22 kilobytes. So now we have a series of images that I want to display in my source at assets directory. If you see, so I will be fetching these images inside my import statement. So I will just say import image1. In this easy way, I can import all these images. So I can change the number. So after importing all these images, now I just need to make a list where I show these images. So what I will do, I will store these images paths in array. I will call this as images, and I will image1, image2, image3, image4, image5, image6. So we are storing all these images in an images array. Now we can, inside our JSX, I can loop through all these images. Inside this we have an h1 tag. We will simply say react draggable list. I will just make it appear in the center position. So text align will be in the center, and then I will have a div, and we will say we'll give it a style of width of 300, and I will also give it a margin of 0 auto. And I will now use this component draggable list, and it actually takes some options. First is the width of this each image, so I will just say width should be 300. So here we can directly attach the style here, style object. So just make the width to be 300, margin will be 0 auto, just to align it in the center position. So right here we'll be looping through the images. So we have this JSX, so say images.map, and for each image we will loop through like this. So we have this, we'll show the image in a div tag, and I will just attach the key here, which will be inside index, and just I will give it a style of width 100% and a height of each image to be 300. And then I will attach my background in the background property, which is the URL, and here you simply pass the source. So we are looping through each image. You can see the paths here. So we are having image1, image2, image3, image4, image5, image6 directly passed in the source, and we are embedding this in the URL source in the background. So now what happens, we also need to configure the properties for the image. So the background size, you can control it using the CSS property. So background size, I will say it should be contained, and I will give it a border as well, 1 pixel solid, this grayish color. And the border radius, I will just give it, let's suppose 50 pixels, so it actually appears in a roundish way. And I will just change this box sizing to be border box. And now inside this, now we need to display the actual image in the paragraph tag. So right here we display each image. I will call this as image index plus 1, and then we have all these styles attached to this image inside this paragraph. So if you refresh now, so what happens, so all these images will display. If you see image 1, so I think I've given all the source code in the description, so I just made some kind of typo mistake. So basically you can change the order of these images, and let's suppose I include one more image here. Let me call this image 4. So in this way you can add as many images as you want. You can see. So this is a really nice little package where you can basically make this draggable list, and you can show images, text, anything. This is essentially this package, React draggable list. So install it and use it inside your React.js application. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.